Hi everyone, it's Susan. I'm going to do a tour of 4 little nature journals I just made. I'm putting them on consignment in our local nature center, and each one is different, so I'll flip through each of them fairly quickly so you can see. They've got a single signature and have a little stuffed bird on the front and a pocket so that you can tuck other nature things in, and they all just tie shut. They just have little photographs that I took at the nature center that flip up, and there's some echo dye pages that I did and then scanned, and some paper weaving that's a lot of fun to do. All the pictures are trying to be nature themed. And little pockets to tuck things. Little accordion fold out. And another little accordion fold out with the belly band. And there's that one. They're pretty similar, but I tried to do different things in each one, different arrangement, different pictures, and used all the tea-dyed paper, of course, because it's fun. Those are some real leaves that I affixed. Lots of little pockets and tuck spots. Another little place to journal in, and a nice pocket. Accordion. And there's number 2. I like that quote, "Long live the weeds in the wilderness." There's a specimen card with a real leaf on it. And a fabric pocket. I think half the fun is having all the different papers that are tea dyed or dyed with different color inks. It makes such nice variety, something interesting to look at. Cute little envelope with a little card in it and a little quote. "Give me a field where the unmowed grass grows." Walt Whitman. Yeah, that's a good one. And number 3, and here comes number 4. And 3 of them have a real feather. I need to find one more feather. And they all have the little stuffed bird. That's a photograph I took of a close-up of a tree. It had the most beautiful bark. And there's number 4. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.